What's up guys? This is John Spear, Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, I wanted to show you guys a really cool little trick that you can do with commercial rated receptacles or switches depending on if they have one particular thing, which would be that guy right there. So the grounding screw that has, basically it's lifted like this. So what you're gonna do is grab your grounding pigtail, shove it in this little crevice right here, bring pressure and spin it all the way around, and then you'll be able to do that, pitch it together, and you got yourself a perfect little deal. Now you can use a slotted screwdriver, but what I would suggest is using a number 1 square. Number 1 square is probably one tool that you probably do not have in your bag, but in my opinion, it is one of the best for devices, especially device makeup, because it fits the terminals so perfectly. So you can literally do it on every single one, hots, whatever. It is the most universal, perfect tool for device makeup. That is my quick little video on how to do this. I'll try to bring some more tips and tricks for you guys. Once again, my name is John Spear. I'm with Warhammer Electric, and I hope this video was a little bit helpful, and hope you guys have a great day.